The Dangbei X5 Ultra is a cutting-edge smart projector that takes home entertainment to the next level, with its impressive features and exceptional performance. At the heart of this projector lies the ALPD 5.0 Super Full-Color Laser technology, a groundbreaking innovation that allows users to switch between 3 distinct light sources: full-color LED, hybrid light sources, and a pure tricolor laser. This versatility ensures that users can enjoy exceptional color accuracy and richness, tailored to different types of content, whether it's a cinematic masterpiece, a sports event, or a gaming session. One of the standout features of the Dangbei X5 Ultra is its projection quality. It boasts a stunning 4K resolution that delivers crystal clear visuals, making every detail come to life. The wide color gamut coverage, with 110% BT.2020 and 152% DCI-P3 support, ensures that colors are vivid and true to life. With 2500 CVIA lumens brightness, this projector can project a vibrant image even in well-lit environments. The ability to render 1.07 billion colors and support for HDR10+ further enhance the viewing experience, offering deeper contrasts and brighter highlights. The remarkable color accuracy, with a delta E of less than 1, sets it apart as a projector that excels in delivering precise and lifelike colors. Under the hood, the Dangbei X5 Ultra is powered by MT9679 processor, accompanied by 6 GB of RAM, and a spacious 128 GB of storage, ensuring seamless performance and ample space for your content. Connectivity is top-notch, thanks to Wi-Fi 6 and USB 3.0 support, and it even offers Blu-ray 3D playback capability. The built-in dual 12-watt speakers enhance the audio quality, providing an immersive audio-visual experience. The appearance of the Dangbei X5 Ultra is not only elegant but also durable. Its 2mm thick alloy construction, created through a one-time stamping process, ensures sturdiness and longevity. The luxurious 2.5D curved glass top cover adds a touch of sophistication to its overall aesthetics, making it a stylish addition to any home theater setup. This smart projector is not just about picture and sound quality, it also incorporates advanced features to elevate your viewing experience. With MEMC global motion compensation, global autofocus, and intelligent obstacle avoidance, you can enjoy smooth and hassle-free projection. It operates on the Dangbei OS, based on Android 11, offering convenient features such as gesture-controlled remote functions, split-screen projection, and instant power on when plugged in. In terms of connectivity, the Dangbei X5 Ultra provides dual HDMI ports, USB 3.0 and 2.0 options, optical fiber, and an Ethernet port for your various multimedia needs. Despite its powerful performance, it maintains a quiet operation at just 24 decibels, and has a relatively efficient power consumption of 260 watts. Dangbei, a leading name in the world of home entertainment technology, has recently introduced its latest innovation to the Chinese market, the Dangbei X5 Ultra 4K laser projector. Price of 92.99 yuan or approximately $1,269. This projector aims to redefine the home cinema experience by seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with an appearance that's both stylish and functional. As it enters the high-end projector market, the Dangbei X5 Ultra makes a bold statement as a formidable contender. In a market where high-end projectors often come with premium price tags, the Dangbei X5 Ultra offers an attractive balance of performance and affordability. At 92.99 yuan, it positions itself as an accessible option for those who demand the best in home cinema without breaking the bank. Dangbei's entry into the high-end projector market with the X5 Ultra is a testament to their dedication to innovation and customer satisfaction. By combining cutting-edge technology with an appearance that's both aesthetically pleasing and functional, they are set to capture the imagination of tech enthusiasts and home cinema aficionados alike. As the X5 Ultra takes center stage in China, it's clear that Dangbei is making its mark as a formidable player in the world of high-end projectors. The Dangbei X5 Ultra is a remarkable smart projector that combines state-of-the-art technology, stunning visuals, and a sleek appearance to deliver an immersive and unforgettable entertainment experience. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or hosting a viewing party, this projector is sure to impress with its exceptional features and picture quality. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Have a nice day and see you soon.